Walmart. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. We're using our new hands-free rough wear leash. Focus.
And I'm thinking about mounting it, but I signed an agreement.
Want treat?
I won't mount it.
Want treat? Good boy.
Because everything's just like so expensive.
Max, Max, what you doing? You having fun? Uh-oh. My finger's in the way. Good boy.
I don't see like any cheap ones. Cheapest one I saw.
Liam. Hi. Hey. Wait. Good job. Come.
That's the only thing I do is drive out trust when we look at Target.
Let's go to Target.
Of course you want to, but
Of course I want to.
I'm taking all my time to do this.
Oh, you know you're going to be happy with it in the end. You always are. Wait. Max. Good boy. Thank you. Come. He's doing what he should. He's watching every time we go past an aisle. He's kind of looking down at making sure, seeing how many people are around, things like that. And then if someone comes out of the aisle, he acts appropriately and blocks for me. He's doing good. Good boy. He ignored the little girl that was trying to talk to him, so that was good. Good boy, Max. Me too. Good check. Wait. Wait. Come on. He's got his shoes on today. Ah, shh. Ignore. Good boy. Good boy, Max. Good, wait. Sit. Yes! Good boy, focus. Yes, good job. Focus. Good boy. All right, good job. Good job. Just waiting for the car to get undone. Stay. Down. Good. Good boy. Leave it. Good. Good boy, Max.